gotta push the backwards button. Here, let me. Here.
Take this.
I thought you were going to record it. Do you know how to record it? Record it then. There you go.
I'm gonna do that this What's a pizza? That's Well, I want to eat more pizza because that ain't bad.
Record it. Why are you not recording? Oh, there you go. Record it. Do you know how to record it? Look, I'm recording it. So look, see, look. See it. Record it like that. Don't press this. You can press it once. When you're done recording, then you can press it. Okay?
Ooh. I'm not eating the
You wanna record it?
I'm not eating the
Okay, I'll record them. You can see it on my phone, okay? You can see it on my phone, okay?
You know, on that side, not that good. I like this thing. I'll wear my pants. But the
You recording it? You recording it? Don't press it. Don't press it. Don't press it.
Oh!
Oh my God!
Son, that's... I don't like that. Let's do that dot. I did that dot.
Quit then. You gotta stop ending it. Quit then. You gotta stop ending it, okay?
This mommy not by me dead.
Hey.
No one big up. Next time, that's it. Save it.
Dang.
Save it.
I wonder how they light it so fast like that.
I did buy it.
No, we know how to. I know you have to buy it first.
You want to buy it?
If we have money.
Give me my money. Give me my money. Give me my money.
Yeah.
Give me my money.
Kiss that. Oh! Or come from this way. Oh! Jesus Christ!
Yay!
Oh, dang!
Mama!
It's still going. I'm gonna check behind me, see if the fireworks still going. Oh, okay, we got both. We got 2 fireworks. Oh, dang. 2 fireworks at the same time. Okay.
Nana, this one looks.
Yes, yeah. I know.
You
Sorry.
you're my that you
Wait, why is it do?
Is it this? You want to watch this?
Huh?
You want to watch this, your mommy?
Let's stop. I'm trying to record the fireworks.
I would like to other flowers. I put all in my treasure book.
Okay.
I told you that I can love them.
We don't want to play Roblox. That's a lot of Roblox.
For real.
Wait, that does play out loud. I did this for $2.
Dang. Now, what do I do with the cup? What do I do with the cup?
Or not.
See any fireworks behind me? The fireworks! I'm gonna post this on YouTube. Mom, I post this on YouTube. But you want to see the fireworks on my phone when I'm done recording? Okay, stop. No. You want to be in the video?
Yeah. Yes, I like color.
That. That. Fireworks.
Oh, what's up? You know, that's how I was YouTube. That's how someone say.
Okay. Quiet and just look at the fireworks, okay? Just look at the fireworks.
Well, I got two. Well, that
I'm
was
gonna
green.
I'll get closer. Hold up.
Well, that.
Why are you getting closer with me? Why you follow me? Dang.
I think that someone's Tesla. You know that Tesla's that is flat now. Next time,
Not talking about Roblox all the time.
I mean,
Talk about life. Jesus Christ.
you know that.
You better talk about life. You better talk about life. You want to be in the video?
Alright,
said-
so start heading back to the car.
Okay.
Oh my
They're gonna get packed. They're gonna out of here.
Okay.
I wonder where.
Dang. Dang. Well, oh, that's okay. Red fireworks. Okay. Go. One day, can I put you in my video? Huh? Oh my God!
That's my bees.
Mom, one day, can I put you in one of my videos? What? Look at those fireworks!
See, this the ending right here.
Dang! You should have recorded. You should have recorded. Quentin, you should have recorded this.
I don't see it.
You know how to record?
I
You gotta stop hitting the red button then. You can't hit that. You only hit it when you're done recording the video. I'm gonna probably make a post about this. I'm probably gonna put this in a post. Take some photos. Dang, dang, dang!
Damn. Look at that. There it is. There it is.
Dang.
Yay!
4th of July! 4th of July. Happy 4th of July, everybody. Like, dang, okay, dang. Big fireworks. Wow. Oh my God. They're shooting missiles. No, they're shooting missiles. Ugh, I smell smoke. Sit.
Whoa, whoa! Well, it's over.
Hey,
No.
clap though. I'm trying to clap. Hold up.
No.
Yeah, that was the fireworks. Okay. End of the video. Hope you like the fireworks.